In this video, I will be explaining theorem related to tangent to a circle. Tangent to a circle. Theorem number 40. Statement is that the tangent to a circle at any point on it is perpendicular to the radius passing through the point of contact. Okay, first I am drawing. This is the circle and this is the center. Now this is the tangent. AB is the tangent, touches the circle at the point P, and O is the center and OP is the radius. So statement is that the tangent to a circle at any point on it is perpendicular to the radius passing through the point of contact. That means AB is the tangent. We have to prove that OP, that is the radius which is passing through the point of contact P, OP is perpendicular on AB. This we have to prove. Clear? Now I am taking any point, arbitrary point Q on the tangent. Clear? Then I am joining OQ. OQ touches the circle at the point R. Clear? Now obviously OR is less than OQ. From the diagram it is clear that OR is less than OQ. And OP and OR both radius. So their length equal, we can write OP equals to OR. So as OR is less than OQ, obviously OP will be less than OQ. Clear? OP is less than OQ. Now Q is any arbitrary point on AB. So if I take another point here Q dash, and if I join OQ dash, then also you will see that OP is less than OQ dash. So OP is, in any case, OP is the least distance. OP is the least or shortest distance. So you know this is the perpendicular, least distance means it should be perpendicular on AB. So from here we can write that OP is perpendicular on AB. So the tangent to a circle at any point on it is perpendicular to the radius passing through the point of contact. So from here we have proved that OP is perpendicular on AB, and that tangent touches the circle at the point P. That means P is the point of contact. Clear? And next one, that is also important theorem. Next one. Theorem 41. Statement is that two tangents are drawn to a circle from a point outside it, then the line segments joining the point of contact and the exterior point are equal, and they subtend equal angles at the center. Okay, so this is the circle, O is the center and P is any external point. From here two tangents are drawn, PA and B. Point of contact, here A, here B. O is the radius. O is the center. Now from here I am drawing radius OA and OB. Here, and then I am joining OP. So what to prove? You have to prove that if two tangents are drawn to a circle from a point, then the line segments joining the point of contact and the exterior point are equal. First proof, you have to prove that length PA equals to PB, and second one is angle exterior, the subtend equal angles at the center. Second one, you have to prove that angle POA is same as angle equals to angle POB. Clear? Now you see, OA is the radius and AP is the tangent. A is the point of contact. OA is radius on AP. So it should be perpendicular. It is 90 degree. Clear? By same logic, OB is perpendicular on PB. So angle OBP is 90 degree. Clear? Now we will take these two triangles. Triangle OAP and OBP. In triangle OAP and OBP, what we are getting? OA equals to OB, both are radius, and angle OAP equals to angle OBP 90 degree. So this is 90 and OP is common. Therefore, these two triangles are congruent. Therefore, triangle OAP and triangle OBP are congruent triangles according to side angle side congruency. Side angle side congruency. So, when we are getting that these two triangles are congruent, so from there we can write that corresponding sides of congruent triangles are equal. So, from here we can write that number 1 is AP equals to BP or PA equals to PB, anyhow you can write this. So we have got this. And second one also, corresponding angles of congruent triangles are equal. So we can write POA equals to POB. Clear? And from here also another important thing, that point is that this one, corresponding angle, this and this will be equal. Angle APO and angle BPO will be equal. That means OP bisects angle APB. This will not come, but you have to know that OP that bisects the angle APB. Clear? So these two theorems on tangent. And from here also some numericals, all the exercises I have completed in online class. Numericals from all the chapters. Okay. Now you will practice that. Your exam is coming. So you will get video after your exam. All the best. Bye.